Hey there, super learners. Let's go ahead and practice writing first words with some letters and sounds that we know. I'm going to go ahead and get started, but before I do, I wanted to share with you just the 3 simple materials that if you have your grown-ups' permission, you can use to follow along. All you need is a whiteboard, a type of eraser. I have just a little sock, all right? That's an old sock but clean, and a whiteboard marker. But if you do not have those things, that's okay. You can follow along with your ears. You can participate by helping us read the words and thinking about what letters we need to write. All right, let's get going. My first word is add. 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 I heard the A at the beginning, and I know that's the short A. So I'm going to go ahead and write an A. D. I know that's the sound that goes with the letter D. So I'm going to write a D next. And now I have the word add. Add. Blend it, add. But what if I want to make this word mad? I heard an sound at the beginning. I can add a letter and make a whole new word, just one letter. And I know the is the sound that goes with the letter M. So I'm going to put an M at the beginning. All right, I have a whole new word. Let's go ahead and get out our reading fingers and read it and blend it together. Add. Stretch it, mad. Blend it, mad. Pretty good. But what if I want to make this word add? Bad. Ooh, I have to take away the sound. And now I can put a add. Add. Bad. That's the sound that goes with the letter B. So I'm going to put a B at the beginning of my word. I changed one sound and I've made a whole new word. And remember, bees have bellies. All right, let's go ahead and get out our reading finger. B-a-d. Blend it, bad. But what if I want to make this word sad? Well, I don't hear an at the beginning of sad. I hear an s. And I know that's the sound that goes with the letter S. I don't hear a B either, so I have to take away the B. And I'm going to write an S at the beginning. And now I can write and read a whole new word. S-a-d. Stretch it out. Sad. Now blend it. Sad. But what if I want to make this word tad? I have to take away the S sound. And let's listen to the new sound at the beginning. Tad. Ooh, I heard the T sound. And I know that's the sound that goes with the letter T. So I'm going to put a T at the beginning. And now I'm going to go back and read it. T-a-d. Stretch it out. Tad. Blend it. Tad. Thumbs up. I've had so much fun today learning all about ice cream and spelling first words with you. I'll see you next time when I teach to your super learning powers, one child and family at a time.